Along those lines, do you have any advice for people to be able to determine, do they need more than that? Because again, like you mentioned, everybody feels like tax time, they have to go through this for a couple of months, once a year, necessary evil. But how do they know if there is more that they should be looking at? Is this something that everybody should be looking at, or is there only certain recipes or certain thresholds that you should get to that then you should start looking into these various different tax strategies and techniques and whatnot?
Yeah, it's a great question. And so I'll answer it with a couple pieces because I think they're informing of each. So first off, if you are primarily earning your income from W-2 wages, there's not a lot that can be done in terms of reducing your taxes at that point. And that's because your tax calculation is basically your wages from your paycheck times whatever your tax rate is. Where the savings occur is in other areas of the return or in the code. Okay. So if that's your only or primary source of income, the reality is there's not a lot of availability there in order to be able to adjust them. Now, the second piece is just because you have more than W-2 income also doesn't mean that there's a ton more strategy, but there usually lends it to be more.